come across an RGB file in a texture library or 3D project. This is an image format from Silicon Graphics, the company whose workstations pioneered computer-generated visual effects in Hollywood. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and convert these SGI images. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated RGB file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. RGB files are raster image files in the Silicon Graphics image format containing uncompressed or RLE-compressed image data. They store high-quality images with up to 4 channels supporting grayscale RGB color and RGBA transparency used in professional 3D graphics, visual effects, and texture mapping, and Silicon Graphics RGB image files use a 512-byte header followed by scanline-ordered pixel data, supporting 8 or 16 bits per channel with optional RLE run length encoding compression. The format stores channel count dimensions, color map mode, and minimum-maximum pixel value metadata. Technically, the best program for RGB is usually Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows can show the image, but transformations or enhancements require a graphics editor. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the RGB file and hit Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If the RGB file is still giving you trouble, relax. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, viewing RGB images. Open the RGB file in GIMP using File, then open as GIMP natively supports the SGI image format. The image displays with all color channels and transparency data intact. Irfan View with plugins also opens SGI RGB files for quick viewing and basic image inspection. Next, converting to standard formats. In GIMP export, the RGB image to PNG TIFF or JPEG using File then Export as. PNG preserves the transparency data while JPEG provides smaller files for web use. Use ImageMagick for batch conversion with the command convert input RGB output.png from the command line. Finally, using in 3D workflows. SGI RGB files are commonly used as textures in 3D applications, including Maya Houdini and Nuke. Import directly into your 3D or compositing software, which typically includes native SGI format support. Convert to EXR format for modern HDR pipeline compatibility when higher dynamic range is needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.